Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cool layered card for you. This is my canoeing layered card. How cool is that design? You have all those different waves there on the bottom. You have her in her kayak or canoe. She's got her little hat on. The sun is there in the corner. Just a really fun design. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. Now this card is really easy to put together, however there are some intricate cuts because I created some different shading with the different layers, so some of them are a little delicate. Just forewarning, make sure to use any methods that you use for intricate cuts. Make sure that your blade is clean, make sure that your mat is clean, and you're using a brayer to attach the cardstock. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, your scraper, your brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, you can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut everything out, so now it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is layer up the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the blue, then the purple, then the maroon, then the yellow, red, and then blue. Now, one thing that I will say is there are a lot of little parts, the yellow layer especially, and then even the maroon or the black layer. That definitely took some time and some patience. So just take your time and know your machine, know your mat. Definitely take some intricate cut precautions with that yellow layer. Definitely when you're removing it from the mat, you're being very careful and mindful of all these different pieces. So I'm going to layer everything together and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Let's mat and layer the messaging panel. Set that one to the side. Take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card and attach the messaging panel to the inside. And attach the front cover panel to the front of the card. Just like so. I will set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our layered card is all set. What did you think of this design? A different design for sure, but I really think that it makes a big impact, and I hope that somebody will like it in your life. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye-bye.